Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hello everyone, hope you're having a good weekend looking at Twitter, GoPro, X, and CHK on the daily, weekly time frame. So Twitter, there's our bullish reversal doji. So we're now looking for follow through and confirmation. We need the hourly time frame to give us higher lows and higher highs. We need to have that hourly 20 period moving average as support. And on Monday, we need to break 2024 to break this lower high pattern and indicate that the higher low has been set on this consolidation at 1952 and be looking for the bulls to show back up. So after 4 days of consolidation, indecision doji favors the bulls, and we'll see if we get that follow through and confirmation on Monday. The weekly time frame inside bar that we'll be watching, potential for next week to form another inside bar as well, especially if we start the week bouncing with a couple green days that would fit us well within that inside bar on the weekly time frame, which has a wide range due to all the volatility after the earnings reaction. So GoPro on the daily time frame, still weak. Close at the low of the day certainly favors the bears. Inside bar here as well. A break of 9.10 will be bearish on Monday. A break of $9, and we're looking down at 867 as the next support. 877 and 867 are those two levels. So the bears are definitely out on GoPro and still feeling the effects of that bearish reaction to earnings. And we'll have a bearish reversal head and shoulders pattern confirmed if we lose that 903 level. And we'll go, and actually we did lose that 903 level, but want to see a convincing break of $9 for that to be confirmed, because we are going from higher lows and higher highs on the weekly to now a lower high and a lower low, and we are close to breaking key support. X on the daily time frame, further pullback now. We had a bear break of the inside bar. 27.28 breaking was the bear signal. We dropped down to the daily middle Bollinger Band of 26.90, and we closed weak. So our support is the low of the reaction to earnings, 26.67, and then there's a gap down to 25.98 if that level does break. Same thing as GoPro, we're still seeing the overhang that the bears have control from that reaction. Weekly time frame rejecting from the 50-week and the upper Bollinger Band for the third week in a row. And we are setting a higher low, pretty much defining the range right now between the middle Bollinger Band and 50-week moving average resistances to see which is going to fall first. Looking at CHK, the bulls trying to form this higher low on the daily now at 362. And in order to change this trend, we have to set this higher low and then break to a higher high by getting over 407. The weekly time frame has a big lower wick and a big upper wick the past 2 weeks, essentially one big doji of indecision those past 2 weeks, and we have to see the middle Bollinger Band on the weekly become support in order for this trend to change. Otherwise, these bounces are short-lived. So we're looking for an equilibrium tightening pattern to form on CHK. A break of 362 means the bears are back in absolute full control, and we have to see a bull break. Again, there's a gap up to make that 396. So if we get over 381, 396 is the next level, and there's some decent potential upside, at least to the short term, for these bulls to make it back up to fill that gap. And whether or not we break 407 from there, we'll have to play it one day at a time. So that's what we've got heading into next week. Twitter bulls looking to show up. We'll see if CHK bulls can hold the support, but GoPro and X still all bears since their reaction to earnings, and we're going to be watching if we break down potential bearish entries. Hope you have a good week. We will see you soon.